sugar cans. Make so these can grow like the vegetables. So guys, I love sugar cans. Sugar cans are my favorite thing ever. Do you guys like sugar cans? Please leave a comment. Guys, 1 week, 1, 2. Goodbye, guys. So, guys, you all think I'm just doing something dumb, but this isn't dumb. I'm putting sand over this so it can grow better. Guys, I will upload the next short when all these grow. Thank you. Please subscribe. I love watching vlogs. Those are my favorite stuff to do. And the best thing, watching sugar cans.